What you're looking at is not just some kind of external enterprise level website that you think an installation company owns, but this is actually built inside the AI studio. This entire website, this entire video background, this kind of forward effects, I'll just show you how it loads so that you can get a better understanding on this. Look at this beautiful effect that the moment somebody loads this particular page, and it's very fast. Even though the page is very, very long, still is very fast. But if you just scroll down, you have this kind of beautiful animation of scroll effects being working on this. Beautiful endless navigation logos, which am really fond of. This kind of video backgrounds, hover effects, gradient tones, this kind of zoom animations showcasing a solar projects. It's kind of beautiful liquid glass effect on the navigation bar that you see here, which is like literally crazy. Like, I really like this. Again, all of this is built on high level AI studio. Now, this is not just built taking few weeks of time. This is probably just built using 2 3 days. That's it. I built this entire thing inside the high level platform, and I'll just show it to you. Again, this is not just a one page website. This is a multi-page website with home. We have about page. Again, beautiful sections, clear, neat, clean. This gives you the idea of how an enterprise level site or international site should be. And again, with AI, there's no more limitations. It all depends on how you execute it. Your mind, your creative direction is all that it needs in order to merge with the tech that high level provides. Right. So services pages section, and just look at it. You hover this, things change, and I think this looks nice. Really stunned as to what these kind of tools can create, and it's mind boggling. But the more I work on it, the more I get used to it, and I can sense as to what the AI is trying to do or is capable of, so that I can understand where the guardrails are and how exactly I need to prompt or I need to give my creative direction in order to get the best output. And kudos to the high level team. I think I mean, earlier it was just generating AI slops, but then if you have a good system in a pre-built with proper steps of how you can create it, then it can definitely give you good examples. Again, this is not just an external site. This is basically built on the high level platform. I've been chatting with the AI. One of the things that I realized is the more detailed the prompt is, the more specific the input is, the better the output is going to be. It sometimes does hallucinate. I won't say that it's perfect. It does hallucinate. It's probably still in beta, but then it gets the job done. If you're very specific about what you're looking for, give them the example, pinpoint it. So probably that's something you can look at. And this is not just compatible on the desktop mode, which is beautiful, and I love this animation, but this is also available on beautifully on the tablet mode. I think this looks stunning on that. And then you also have the mobile mode. Again, this looks really, really nice. I mean, kudos to the high level team. I'm just exploring. The more I explore, the better outcome I'm getting. So yeah, kudos to the high level team. You probably have given unrecognizable powers to people who know what they're doing. So thank you so much for this. I'll probably update with another video on this.